Please like, share, and subscribe.
The 2019 Volkswagen Golf R is a high-performance compact hatchback with a turbocharged 2.0-liter engine producing 288 horsepower, standard all-wheel drive, a sporty design with unique RA accents, and a comfortable interior featuring leather sport seats, all while offering a fun and agile driving experience. It's considered a sophisticated hot hatch with excellent handling and practicality. Highlights: excellent handling, quick acceleration, stylish design, spacious interior for a compact car. 2019 Golf are finished in Oryx White Pearl, with Titan black leather interior. This Golf R has all the options that all the Golf Rs have, including 2.0-liter inline-4, 6-speed manual transmission, 4-motion all-wheel drive system, heated seating, Fender audio, Apple CarPlay with Android Auto, multifunction LCD cluster, keyless entry and drive, active blind spot monitoring, backup camera. In addition to the optional VW equipment, the car also has APR 6-piston front brakes, APR 19-inch A01 flow-formed wheels, APR roll control front and rear sway bars, APR roll control lowering springs.
Please like, share, and subscribe.